Today we are making Pholourie, and these are 2 cups of split peas that we soaked in 2 cups of water for 4 hours. So we have some onion, a piece of scotch bonnet pepper, bandhania, and garlic.
Garlic, yeah.
So we're going to blend it with 1 cup of water. So we're going to add 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of saffron powder, half a teaspoon of yeast, a teaspoon of adobo seasoning.
Yeah.
Goya adobo. We're going to mix it with our hands.
Yeah.
We're going to cover it and leave it for 45 minutes to an hour. So we let it rise for an hour, and this is what it looks like. So we're going to put 3 cups of oil in the pot.
Take it like that.